Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in today's video I am going to share how I maintain my balcony. Also, today's video is powered by MeraLink, which is an online shopping app and very user friendly. I have got few very interesting and cute decor products from them which I have used to decorate my balcony, and I'll share those with you. MeraLink has policies like cash on delivery, free delivery, 5 days easy return and exchange options. I will talk about them more in the video, but for now, let's just dive into the video. अक्सर हम अपने घर को तो साफ करते हैं बट बैल्कनी को बिल्कुल भूल जाते हैं, जबकि बैल्कनी को भी रेगुलर क्लीनिंग की बहुत जरूरत होती है। So every month I make sure I clean the balcony thoroughly, which also includes the balcony walls. इसके लिए I just scrub the stains off with the help of a Scotch Brite. Since balcony is an outdoor space, chances are high that mud stains, rain watermarks or simple dust particles can make the wall looks very ugly. And that's a major reason why our balcony lose its beauty. हर बार तो पेंटिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वॉल्स को क्लीन जरूर कर सकते हैं, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस क्रिएट्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। नेक्स्ट कम्स द रैक्स और द स्लैब्स, जिनके ऊपर हम लोग पॉट्स को प्लेस करते हैं। वी ऑल नो हाउ डर्टी दिस गेट्स ड्यू टू मड, डस्ट, ड्राई लीव्स एंड व्हाट नॉट, तो इनको भी क्लीन करना बहुत ही जरूरी है। रैक्स को भी मैंने सिंपल डिटर्जेंट से स्कॉच ब्राइट के हेल्प से क्लीन किया है, जैसे मैंने वॉल्स को किया था। नाउ यू कैन गो फॉर अदर क्लीनिंग एजेंट्स, ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक प्रोफेशनल हेल्प एज वेल, बट फ्रीक्वेंट क्लीनिंग के लिए मुझे ये सबसे इजी एंड बेस्ट ऑप्शन लगता है। After scrubbing, I just wipe it out with plain water and sponge wipes. These sponge wipes are easily available in supermarkets and also online, and the best option to clean the surfaces. Now we all love to accessorize our balcony with decor pieces, but उनको regularly clean करना भूल जाते हैं। I simply use plain water and the same sponge wipes to give a quick wipe of the decor pieces every week. Trust me, this only takes 5 to 10 minutes hardly, and your balcony will look brighter and neat and clean. Another very neglected thing is the planter's bottom plates. इनमें excess water store होता है, and also all the mud gets accumulated over the period of time. I simply use dishwasher soap to clean them weekly. It takes hardly 10 minutes to wash all the planter plates. However, it creates the neat and tidy look in the plant area. Now comes the plant arrangement part. If you have a broad rack, then place the larger pots behind the rack or at the corner, and it's a good idea to arrange the planters height-wise. I don't have a broad slab, however, I try to keep the plants in a way that they are not crowded and there is some breathing space in between each planter. And also, now and then, I just give a wipe to the planters to make them shine again. More often, we just think about the tasks and it appears too much to us. But if we just break down each task into smaller tasks and plan them ahead, then the execution is really simple and quick. Like, I break down the balcony cleaning into these simple tasks and maintain a schedule for them. I clean the walls or the racks only monthly once. However, I wipe the pots more frequently, maybe weekly once or twice. So planning is essential. Next comes the decor and accessories which I have used in my balcony garden. This wooden good vibes only frame is from Mera Link. It has a hook and also a stand so that you can either hang it on the wall or place it on a table or rack. Now the frame is wooden and it is made out of acrylic cutouts. The size is 7 by 7 inches. I have placed it on this wooden shelf. Now after that I am adding this ZZ plant, which is a very low maintenance plant. This plant is also from Mera Link, which came in this beautiful yellow pot. Now this is a deal of the day product, as in if you order it within next 2 to 3 days you will get it in this special price. Also, this small fairy girl planter is from Mera Link. It's made out of resin and ideal for succulents or small plants. It also has a drainage hole, as you can see. I have kept a fern cutting here. Acha, one more thing, if you are not comfortable ordering online, might happen, then you can follow the WhatsApp link in the description, which will guide you to shop the product very easily. तो अगर आप online shopping में उतना comfortable नहीं हो, do not worry, follow the WhatsApp link in the description. All the products which you can see from Mera Link in the video is from their new arrival, and currently they are running 10% discount for all new customers. The next and very effective tip for both indoor and outdoor plant is to hide the soil. To hide the soil and create a neat look, you can cover the surface with these kind of stones. These stones comes in different colors. I have picked the white stones. These are easily available in nurseries and also online. Now I am adding these small little accessories just to provide some character in these planters. Now I know these are not essential, but I love to decorate places, and so is my balcony. So balcony में भी मैंने जगह जगह ऐसे छोटे छोटे डेको products add किया है, and these actually creates so much difference when you see the balcony. Here I am adding one snake plant. Again, this is a very low maintenance plant and you can keep it both indoor and outdoor, but try to avoid direct sunlight, which is why I have kept it under shade. Now this is also from Mera Link and came in this beautiful vibrant green planter. Sometimes it might happen that the planters which come with the plants are not that pretty, or if you have any old planter that doesn't look that good now, you can follow this approach. I simply reuse vibrant serving pots or utensils and hide the original planters inside that. That way my balcony looks always fresh and vibrant. Next I am placing these small Buddha monk statues. These come in a set of 4 and these also I got from Mera Link. So these kind of small cute decor products will really enhance the look of your balcony, or as a matter of fact any corner of your home. So I'll leave all the product links in the description if you want to check the details of the products, or if you wish to buy the products, follow the links provided in the description. another very important tip which I follow to keep my plants flourishing and in shape is to pruning. So आप देख सकते हैं ऐसे जब कोई ब्रांच बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाता है, you need to prune them. हर एक प्लांट का अलग अलग प्रूनिंग नीड्स होता है, सो ऑलवेज डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिसर्च बिफोर प्रूनिंग. बट फॉर प्लांट्स लाइक मनी प्लांट और अदर foliage plants, pruning is necessary to make the plant bushier and healthy at the same time. ऑल्सो मुझे काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे आते हैं कि हाउ माई प्लांट्स आर सो क्लीन. कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, मैं जस्ट प्लांट्स को क्लीन करती हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कॉटन. विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉटन एंड प्लेन वाटर यू कैन एक्चुअली क्लीन द प्लांट्स लीव्स. जो बड़े लीव्स होते हैं उनको मैं ऐसे ही क्लीन करती हूँ एंड यही करती हूँ एंड इसी के लिए ही प्लांट थोड़ा क्लीन रहता है. तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी वीकली हो सके तो एक बार ये जरूर करना. दिस एक्चुअली अलाउज योर प्लांट टू ब्रीथ मोर इजीली, तो उनके लिए भी काफी अच्छे होते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई गिव देम अ थरो बाथ. वीकेंड में जब मैं वाटरिंग करती हूँ आई मेक श्योर आई गिव देम थरो बाथ. आइदर आई यूज अ स्प्रिंकलर और आई सिंपली वाटर देम एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई गिव देम अ थरो बाथ. So this actually helps the plants to look much greener and healthy, and also it helps in their growth. Last and the most frequently asked question is how I maintain the grass carpets. Well, it's actually very easy to maintain the grass carpets. You can simply vacuum it as and when needed, or also can wash it if required with plain water. I try to spot clean whenever I see any dry leaves or mud. Also, it has drainage holes throughout which actually drains out the rainwater and gets dried within 2 to 3 hours. So feel free to spill as much water as you want on it. So this is it guys, these are the steps which I follow to maintain my balcony garden effectively, and I hope you can also implement these steps if required. Feel free to let me know if you also have a balcony garden and if you have any additional tips in the comment section, and I will go through each one of them. Also you can find all the product links from Mera Link which I have used to decorate my balcony mentioned in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful, and if yes, then do like, share and leave a comment. Also do subscribe if you have not done yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.